Big camera you got there.
I'm sorry?
That's a big camera you got there.
Yeah, well, you know, I like to show off as much as I can, you know?
Yeah. I thought it was a Hasselblad for a second.
Yeah, no, it's pretty close.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they shrunk them down just for this year.
Alright.
You having fun out there today?
Yeah, a little windy though, but yeah.
Yeah, it is a little windy for sure.
I was on the dock over there and I was just like trying to take pictures. Holy moly.
No, exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty hard to today, but definitely a nice day for it anyway. Get some.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
What do you do? Just filming people as they're walking?
Oh, actually, yeah, I'm actually just doing a test for these microphone products.
Oh yes.
So this is a little microphone that goes into there, and then this is a little, you know, wind muff for it. This is a little, you know, wind muff for it.
Oh yeah.
So there we go. So hopefully that'll help.
Alright, yeah. My name's Lloyd.
Lloyd to Carl.
Carl? Alright, Carl.
Lloyd.
I need some gloves too, eh?
Oh, I know, it's pretty cold out, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it is.
Yeah, it is. It gets, oh, it's amazing how chilly it is, but can't complain when the weather's this nice though.
Oh yeah, I'm enjoying it.
Yeah, totally.
I had that. I had that cold for about a month and a half, and I just like it was just raining every day. I had that one day of sunshine. I was okay. Went outside and came right back.
Really?
Knocked me on my ass. Yeah.
Really? That's amazing.
Yeah.